In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel CapCut subscription on PC. If you're on a free trial or already on a pro subscription, the cancellation happens through your account on the CapCut website, not inside the desktop app. Start by opening any internet browser on your PC. In the search bar, type CapCut login and press enter. Look for the official CapCut sign-in page at the top of the results and click that. Avoid any ads or lookalike pages to make sure you're on the correct site. Once the sign-in page loads, log into the CapCut account that holds your subscription. This should be the same account you used when you upgraded to Pro, whether that's an email-based login or a linked social account. After you're in, head to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select the option for your Pro plan. This will open your subscription details. On the Pro plan page, find the section that shows auto renewal. Next to auto renewal, choose the option to cancel. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Click cancel auto renewal to confirm. That's it. The subscription won't renew at the end of the current billing period, and you've successfully turned off auto renewal. A quick reminder, canceling stops the next charge, but it doesn't end your access immediately. You'll continue to enjoy pro features until your plan's end date. To verify that everything worked, refresh the page. Then click your profile icon again and revisit your pro plan details. You should now see the expiry date for your Pro plan clearly listed, confirming that your subscription is set to end on that date and won't renew automatically. If you don't see the cancellation reflected, double check that you're logged into the correct account. Also keep in mind that if your subscription was originally purchased through a different platform, you may need to manage it where you started on the website though. The process is exactly as we just did. Go to your profile, open your Pro plan, cancel auto renewal and confirm. And that's the whole process. You didn't need to uninstall anything or contact support, just a quick change to your account settings. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a like and consider subscribing for more clear, step-by-step CapCut tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.